So today we will talk about features. Okay, 5 features on the new Samsung Galaxy One UI 8. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so because these are very important features that you should know. Are very simple though, so you must learn about this. So first of all, we are going to go for the folders. You can actually enlarge your folder or shrink it. Okay, you can see that. Make it bigger so you can see more clear, or make it smaller if it's within more space. This is actually feature number 1. So now we go for number 2, home up. So if you go to home up, it's going to turn out to be like this at the beginning. And now you're just going to press next, and try it. Turn this on. Now we're going to go for home screen. And we're going to go all the way down. Make sure the DIY home screen is off. You go all the way down. You can see there's this thing called large folder. Then when you go inside large folder, make sure you turn that on. And you can see large folder. Make sure you go to customize. Now what can you do is, you go back to your folder, you hold it, you can actually do whatever you want. You can make it smaller, shrink it, okay? You can make it straight, taller. You can do whatever you want for your folder. So this is come from the home up in the Good Lock. So feature number 3, if you go to the clock app, if you go to the world clock, and at the top there you can see there's a button right there. We press this, there is a different timeline like this. And now if you look at the clock at the top, it shows a different time, different area. And the white color shows it's a daytime. The dark will be the nighttime, and you just basically change it whatever you want. And this is feature number 3. Feature number 4 is actually on your setting, the panel. If you press the pencil, now you can actually drag whatever you want. You can shrink it straight down, whatever you want. Okay, so you can delete them. You can add different buttons by going to the plus button right at the bottom here. And now you can add more buttons to your panels. This is feature number 4. So now the final feature is actually camera assistant. If you go into your Good Lock, which we just download already, you make sure that you download this thing called camera assistance. Once you go to camera assistance, make sure you go all the way down. You can see night mode, single take, or even dual recording is on. Make sure you turn them on. If you go to your camera, if you go more, you can see dual recording, single take, and even the night mode is on. But if you do not download that, you don't have these 3 features. If you cannot download camera assistant, make sure you go to my website. You can download camera assistant as well too. Alright, please subscribe my channel and share this video. These are the very important 5 features, simple ones, but make sure you use them on the One UI 8.5. And I hope I can see you next time. Bye bye, peace out.